Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can hide members in WhatsApp group. So the way that normal WhatsApp group works is that anyone can see the members, right? And you can't hide it like you do in Discord. There was a method where you can use communities to do that, but right now it has been changed to something different called channels. Now we're going to create a channel. Now from the update section here, you want to click on this green button here. Click on green button and then click on create new channel. When you create a new channel, you can see this is a different kind of group, right? Anyone can discover your channel, but people can see your channel, not you. And this goes both ways. So when someone joins a channel, they'll just join a group, right? But they can't see who's the member and they can't see me as well, right? So it'll all be anonymous and it'll just be a group with no members visible. So when you do this, click on continue, add a channel name. So I'm just going to do example and I'm going to create channel. And now this will act like a group, but you just can't see the members on it. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.